Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to draw animals. First is the fish. First draw the water look below the fish, then draw its body, mouth, eyes, nose and its beautiful two wings, and at last draw one heart shape. Color it with blue color and heart with red color. Next for this, first draw one circle shape for its shell using a coin, then draw its two eyes and its body. At last, draw one beautiful mouth, eyes and color it with green and orange. Next we are going to see how to draw three fish. For this, first draw three oval shapes, then draw the first fish. For the fish, first draw its two wings, mouth, eyes and tails. Likewise, draw for other two fishes. The only difference between these three fishes are different designs inside its body. For the first fish, it is a circle-shaped design, and for the second fish, it is a vertical line design and color it with black color. For the third fish, it is horizontal line design. Next is also a fish. For this, first draw one circle shape for its big eyes and put one small dot inside a big circle. Then draw its big body, then its small one tail, and at last draw its two wings. Then draw vertical lines inside its body for a real fish look. Additionally, draw some bubbles because fish is inside the water. Next is the seahorse. For the seahorse, first draw its head, then its body, then its beautiful tail and its two ears, then draw its eyes, mouth and additionally draw some horizontal and vertical lines inside its body to look very real. Color it with pink, yellow and red. See how good it is. Next we are going to see how to draw a worm. First draw its head and then its two antennae. Then draw its eyes, mouth and draw semicircles continuously for its body look. Then draw small circles inside the big circles which you have drawn. At last, add some legs below its body. Next is the crane. For this crane, the trick is you have to take pink color sketch and scribble as shown in this video. Then draw its head and its beautiful long neck. At last, one small tail and two little legs. Draw its beaks, eyes. Then at last, give some water look below the crane and also a grass look using light green color. Next we are going to see how to draw a love duck, that means from the heart shape. First draw its heart shape, then from the one side of the heart draw two and other side also same two. Then draw its beak, eyes and a water look below the duck.